Welcome to Hatchbox Highlights, where we give you some quick insight on Hatchbox filaments. Today we'll be highlighting PLA Silk. Print all your favorites and more with the same quality of standard PLA with our PLA Silk. PLA filament is known for its easy printability, low melting point, and optional heat bed. It is also less susceptible to warping, which translates to great looking prints with minimal adjusting to your settings. PLA is able to be used on nearly all household 3D printers on the market with ease. These features make it a great option for beginners and seasoned printers alike. So you might be wondering, any special settings to print PLA Silk? The recommended specifications are as follows. Extrusion nozzle temp at 180 degrees Celsius to 210 degrees Celsius, no heating bed required. You may be also asking what PLA Silk looks like. PLA Silk creates prints that feel less rough with a silkier and smooth appearance straight off the printer. Silk produces a brilliant sheen and gloss that is an absolutely beautiful finish that will stand out from the crowd. We hope that we were able to shine light on what Hatchbox Filament is best equipped for. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. From all of us here at Hatchbox, thank you for tuning in. Until next time.